This fruit crate has been turned into this. I know. Everything looks the same, but there's a special use case. With a little cutting and modification, we can use this as a pigeon house. Let me show you how we turn these crates into a pigeon house. These fruit crates are sold in fruit shops for 10 to 25 Taka. First, we cut a door into one side of the crate. That's done. Then we cut a rubber mat according to the size of the crate. We're cutting these to place at the bottom of the crate so that cleaning the pigeon's droppings becomes easier. To keep the pigeon house warm, we added straw. Then we tied the crate covers securely so that the pigeons can't escape. And this is how we made a pigeon house out of a